Today, I'm going to show you how you can make money easily to your PayPal account. Stick around. Alright, welcome back, guys. I'm Kevin Lehner of the Freedom Motivator channel here, and welcome to the site. Today, like I said, I'm going to show you a video of how you can easily make money to your PayPal account through a place called Grabpoints. And if this is your first time here, what we do here is we do videos on how-to videos, entrepreneurship videos, affiliate marketing videos, and anything generally to do with making money, and once in a while we'll even throw in a motivational video for you there too to keep you up on top of your game. Okay? Alright, and if you haven't yet, and this is your first time here too, reach down there and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ding dong that bell so you get notified of when we post new videos, okay? Alright, thanks a lot. Okay, now, what I wanted to show you here is it's a site, website here. It's called Grabpoints. You get points for doing different things. For like watching TV, you can get gift cards too, surveys, completing offers, and downloading apps such as gaming apps and those types of things. Now, the points can easily be turned into cash and put and directly deposited to your PayPal account. Here's how it works. It's the advertisers will pay for engagements, and they recruit people like you that are looking to make money, quick money, fast money, pretty much easy money. And you do online activities like watching videos, taking surveys, complete offers, or download apps, and there's a few other things too. And you earn free gift cards or PayPal cash. It's your choice. You can take a gift card or turn your points into cash, and they'll pay it to your PayPal account. Here's some of the gift cards and rewards that they have. This is, by the way, at grabpoints.com up here. Alrighty, so some of the gift cards that they have here. Roblox, Fortnite, a lot of these are popular games and stuff. Steam, music, Mobile Strike, Facebook, and so on. Apple gift cards, PlayStation 2, Windows, and other, and then PayPal. Now, then there's some of the testimonials here that people have done this already, and these are pretty recent testimonies. Look at the date up here on this one right here is the 23rd. Here's the 24th of November. So these are pretty recent. I'll just read a couple of them here. You can read them on your own once you go to the site. It says, this site gives you a variety of ways to earn points. The activities are interesting. Rewards are promptly paid when requested. This person here says, got paid in my PayPal within 48 hours for doing surveys. I tried other websites, but I didn't find legit. But I look, rewards will take you forever to accomplish. But I tried, and here at Grabpoints, and I tried, and I'm extremely excited and happy I got paid. Highly recommend it to anyone. So he turned his points apparently into cash and had the money sent straight to his PayPal account. This site will come in handy since we're coming up, today's the 25th of November 2018. This site will come in handy for the holidays if you're looking to make some extra money. Okay? Alright, so, and then different ways to earn resources and stuff down here. Now let's come up here and check out the PayPal. If I click on PayPal, earn free PayPal cash. Okay? And here's what it says about it here. It says, fatten up your PayPal account using Grabpoints rewards. Grabpoints has one of the most extensive rewards programs online. With Grabpoints, you earn points by doing regular tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, and downloading apps, stuff that most of us do already anyways. It says you can use these points to redeem lots of awesome rewards, including cash. PayPal is the easiest way to get paid, and Grabpoints is the easiest way to get PayPal cash. It's the closest thing to getting free money. Okay? Anyways, and then getting started, just head over to Grabpoints and register free of charge. It doesn't cost anything to sign up on this site. and get started. Once you're done signing up, you'll have the option of entering an invite code. If you have one, entering the invite code will instantly earn you 500 free points, so you get started right away with a good chunk of points here. And registering is that simple, and here's how it works here. It says once you've completed your registration, you can begin browsing the site's available tasks. Our list of tasks is continually being updated, but tasks usually include the following: watching videos, answering surveys, completing offers, playing games, and downloading apps. The number of points you make per task depends on its complexity. You can make anywhere from 2,000 to 10,000 points for each task. 1,000 points is equivalent to $1 in real currency. So every 1,000 points that you have, you can convert that into money and have that sent to your PayPal account. So if you have 20,000 points, that's probably $20 right there. It'd be $20 that you can have in your PayPal accounts, or on up from there. So it's pretty good. Looks like it's pretty easy and quick way to make a good chunk of cash. Actually, the more you do it, the more money you make, right? And the more rewards you could get or whatever. So once you've reached a minimum of 3,000 points, you can claim your earnings via PayPal. So that would be $3 roughly, right? If it says up here, what is it? 1,000 is equivalent to 1, so that'd be $3. So it's the minimum. You see down here, and it says your earnings will be sent to your PayPal within 48 hours. And note that cash earnings are subject to the same points to cash conversion rate mentioned above. PayPal can be claimed in the following denominations: 3, 5, 10, 20, or $50. So if you've got 50,000 points, that's $50. And you can have $50 sent to your PayPal account over and over and over again. Looks like a pretty good deal to me. A pretty good deal for what little bit that they ask of you to do here. And then there's other types of gift cards and stuff. There's plenty more. They got a link here that you can click on and see the different gift cards and stuff that they have. Here's eBay, Macy's, Airbnb, Skype, Netflix, Walmart. There's quite a few of them here. Lowe's, Bitcoin. If you like Bitcoin, you're into cryptocurrency, you can even get that through here too. iTunes, Google Play, Amazon, and another gaming Royal Clash there. Alrighty. So and then you can. There's cash reward here, of course, and then there's crypto, like we said, and gaming, gift cards, and shopping. And so pretty much covers about everything there. You can actually do a lot on this site. All right, well, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. I wanted to give you an easy way to make money. And I'm going to do, here in the next few series of videos, I'm going to be showing you other ways to make money easily too, because of the holidays that are coming up here this year in 2018. So you'll have ways to make easy money that'll help you out, okay? So that's what I wanted to show you. Hey, if you haven't yet, check my links out down there in the description. You want to see my #1 business that'll get you over $3,600 worth of free bonuses. Just click on Mentor with Kev down there where it says Mentor with Kev, and you'll see it on the screen there too. Alrighty, and check out my other helpful links down there. Hook up with me on social media, and if you like the video and you want to see more of these, give me a thumbs up if you would too. Alright? Okay guys, have a great day. I'll check you again here in a couple days with the next video that'll help you out too. Have a great day now. Bye bye.